Alright everybody, today we went and checked out a new truck to the valley. It is Umami Mediterranean. This is our spread. We got a little bit of everything. We got chicken and rice bowl, the umami bowl. We got some pita and hummus and also their fries. They're located right in the parking lot, Road Pacific Lumber, and I posted their schedule. Check them out. She has only been in the valley for about a month. She just moved down here from Eugene. She obviously knows what she's doing. She has great flavors, great consistency. Those fries are cooked absolutely perfect.